Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In previous video, we can see how you can challenge the Extreme Z area of the Dragon Ball Z Trunks Android Cell Saga. It comes from free to play. You can recruit these Trunks from a story event. These Trunks. Scroll down first. This one. So in this video, I will show you this one, how you can challenge this extreme Z area of these trunks. Scroll down this one, Super Saiyan Transfuser. If you do not have him yet, please recruit it from story event. It's free and maximum him, rainbow him. Rainbow this unit is very solid for new players especially. And how you can take this event, you do have, of course, you have to get this guy, and also this guy. Also you have to assemble team with this unit. Like this is free to play unit you can get, and one, and also this one is taking a long time but it's very worth. Vegito Blue, and the other one, it's summonable. So if you do not have some character of that listed here, you cannot challenge this event. So challenge yourself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click that button below. Enjoy the game.